So let's begin to look in more detail at some of the aggregation operators we just touched on. Now, you just had a quiz on this question. We're going to look at first the $match operator and then the $project operator in the context of this question. So the question is, who has the highest followers to friends ratio? The data that we're working with is from the version 1.1 Twitter API. And here, friends means who I'm following. So another way of expressing this is who has the highest followers to following ratio. Okay, so here's our complete solution to addressing this problem using the aggregation framework. Let's take a look at how the match operator is used here in this first stage of the pipeline. Now, as I mentioned, match is a filtering operation. And something that's very important to bear in mind, it really clears things up, I think, with match, is that for match, for the value of the match operator, you use the same syntax that you would use for find operations or read operations. So in this case, what we're specifying is constraints on the type of document that we want to allow through this match stage. What we're saying here is, I only want to consider those who have both a friends count and a followers count that's greater than 0. And if you think back to when we were talking about queries in the last lesson, you can see that all we're really doing here is specifying a specific field in each case, and then using an inequality operator to express a constraint on the value for first friends count and then followers count. And in fact, match functions very similarly to find as part of the aggregation framework.